Notarize online instantly, remote online notary service. In Massachusetts, remote online notarization became legal in 2024, following the passage of the state's remote notarization law. There are several benefits to using online notary services in Massachusetts, like Colon Constable Services and Boston Notary Service to get your documents notarized. Convenience and accessibility. Online notary services offer convenience and accessibility, as they eliminate the need for in-person appointments with a notary public. Time saving and efficiency. Online notarization can save time and improve efficiency. Enhanced security and fraud prevention. Online notarization in Massachusetts utilizes advanced technology and security measures to ensure the integrity of the notarization process. What are the eligibility requirements for remote online notarization? The signer must be physically located in Massachusetts during the online notarization process and have valid identification. What technology is needed for remote online notarization? The signer will need a computer or mobile device with a webcam, microphone, and reliable internet connection. Is there a fee for remote online notarization? Online notary service providers may charge a fee for their services. Are there any limitations on the types of documents that can be notarized online? While many types of documents can be notarized online, there are certain documents that may require in-person notarization, such as wills, trusts, and adoption papers. Can I use an out-of-state online notary service for my Massachusetts documents? Massachusetts allows the use of out-of-state online notary services for document notarization, as long as the notary is authorized to perform remote online notarizations and complies with the requirements set forth by Massachusetts law. Is the notarization process different for electronic signatures? The main difference is that electronic signatures are used in place of physical signatures on electronic documents.